Hey, and welcome back to the channel. Toby's Real Skills with Toby. Oh, Kobe. This is Frankie, by the way. Frankie is the property cat and belongs to Marcy, who will help me as well. She's getting Gasket Maker today for me. So we are trying to do the rear differential oil change. So we'll see how that will work, and that means we'll work down there this time. Exactly, Frankie. Well, you don't know how to get down. Anyways, he'll figure it out. He's a smart cat. So we will try to do the rear differential oil change today. I've seen so many different ways to do it, so we'll just follow one which I think hopefully is the simplest and easiest, and if that doesn't work we have to go with another route. But there was nothing straightforward, so we'll try to do it together today. We'll figure that out on the way, on the fly, so the video might be a little chunky. Same as, no, Frankie's not chunky. So that means, yeah, we'll check it up. As you can see, it is already just the rear is in the air, using a jack to check it up one side and a jack stand on the other side, keep it up. And now we'll work down here, which means step by step. Hopefully that will be helpful for you. All links from the products we're using in the description below as always. And we'll get started now with, what are we starting with actually? We are starting with working down here. So I'll let you know. No, I'm telling you now what we are doing. So this is the train block down here. It's a rubber train block, so you can pop it, and then fluid should come out. That's how it should work. When we drain a bunch of fluid, there's still fluid in here for sure. So have a drain pan underneath or something. We have additionally just more cardboard boxes to catch whatever we obviously will trip there. There are a lot of bolts which you have to take off. You see ours is more rough in the condition, so we'll try to make it pretty afterwards. Hopefully we don't have to replace anything. So drain plug, lay the drain, and then we'll use probably a 13mm or 15, not sure what it is, to get all those bolts off. And then we'll see how we'll refill it afterwards. That's what we're doing now. I'm still waiting for Marcy to help us. Okay, so we got this Permatex gasket maker. That's what we'll be using to make the gasket. And we do have, in this case, heavy duty, high performance gear oil. They're controversial and different information. I found that it's mobile fluid 424, something like that. We're not able to get that. So hopefully this will work. I saw different people, different products using, so we'll fingers crossed that it will work out. We'll figure that out today. So we're using this. So Marcy is doing the main work. I'm just laying it next to it and assisting again. We have this oil train. What is it called? Oil train.
It's a pan, but
pan. There we go. Thank you. Which we will be using today first time.
Okay.
Right? So we want to open up this one, this breather hole as well, so whatever comes in can escape. So I'll be putting it underneath here for you.
Okay.
Hopefully it will work. Now we try to undo this drain plug and see what comes out.
So any tips are fine.
We want to reuse that plug, so don't poking it is good. This one maybe. Also use maybe that's better, which is not sharp. Makes sense. Did you get it underneath here?
Not too much. One side, I do the other.
Oh, wait. There it is.
You got it!
That's not what we want to see.
It's not very much coming out, is it?
Comes a little bit. Very tiny little bit.
Where's the hole? Let's go near the hole.
Alright, so you want to see usually a little bit more than this.
I would think.
And especially not that thick. So what we're doing now, we'll let it drain, and then we'll take off the entire cover and clean it good, because this is a lot of slush. So it's good we're doing this. It's very thick.
What would you clean it with? Would you use steel wool or something else?
First just brake clean inside.
Oh, okay.
So that's why we'll take it off and then we'll spray it. We'll see if we can
because we're
flush it.
taking this off too.
And we'll refill it through this breather hole, which is up here, because we don't have a plug so far. I guess that's why this is the consistency it is. So very bad. That's why you want to do a rear differential.
Should we try to loosen these now?
Yes.
have an extender too if you need it.
Yeah, might be needed. Oh God. Oh, I think we want to spray them first.
Okay. Where's the WD?
I'll get it.
I'll spray it.
Get it.
Man, there's hardly any of that stuff in there. How much is supposed to go in? Do we know? So are we taking this off now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. I need to clean. Oh God, that slush is nothing you want to see. Any. So when you look at this plug, and we can see there's a lot of this slush in there, also a little metal shavings, so it's probably long overdue to do this. I'm happy we're doing that today, but hopefully it will help to maintain a good rear differential for, in this case, Henry. I think I didn't introduce it yet, but yeah. Okay, so we are getting the last two bolts off on both sides. We kept it in there, and we used this one. It's a plastic. It's very important to use plastic, not metal, because you don't want to destroy your surface. And we're able to, with the hand, just hammer it in. So this is a very handy pry tool, plastic. We're able to separate it. So right now we've taken out the last 2 or 3 bolts, which were holding it in. And then we will be able to drop the pan. There might still be oil in it. So we are close. We're very close. Okay, this one? Yeah, there we go. Last bolt, and now you want to have your pan ready. It's here, the pan, like so. Now we're dropping it, and there's no slush. Oh yeah! All right,
It's very cool.
rear differential.
Ooh.
Here we are. Now we let it drain, and we'll use brake clean to clean it up. We'll double check and probably flush through the breather hole up here with some additional gear oil we have ready, which is not the right one, but we'll just use for flushing it.
Flushing, okay.
And then we are ready to, you know, clean the entire surface. Very important, clean it. And also you want to clean the cover. That's what we're doing. Then we'll show you how.
And then,
yep, Marcy, what?
I don't even know.
Ooh.
I don't feel a gasket on there.
Well, maybe
There
it's.
was one.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll have to clean and see if we can find
like
some
metal.
residue.
Yeah.
Right.
Trying to carefully clean off the leftover gasket from when we took it off. And then hopefully get it good enough to put on the new gasket. It's Gasket Maker.
Oh, we're cleaning it. We want to have the surface as clean as we can, possibly. We see there's some wear inside, but we won't change anything since that on there since years, I guess, and we didn't damage that. And then we'll use a wire brush outside to get the rust off, and we'll also spray paint it really quick and let it dry before we do any gasket maker inside and put it back on. But yeah, you can look at the differential and you will see we cleaned that as well already. Also the surface as much as we can, and then we'll continue with the gasket maker.
So this is a differential cover which everybody's helped clean. Got a little rust there, so we're going to sand it down and then paint it.
Whoa! Marcy, look at it, what you painted!
And it's beautiful. Very nice, and it's good Rust-Oleum paint,
Yeah.
so it should hold it
Okay.
really good.
That's a cat. No, this is the star of the show. Wow.
Yay.
Well done.
Good,
That looks really good.
Yeah.
So we'll reuse it. You see it has a lot of scrapes. So do you think it's ready to install and fill
Yes,
up?
yeah. Be a little careful, you know, not to push it too much.
Well, then we'll let it sit for a little bit and we'll get ready.
Okay.
Do the gasket. Then
And
we
you're
have
supposed to let it sit for 5 minutes, and then you have to do it, right?
Let's reread
Okay.
the instructions of the permatext.
Okay.
All right, we start with this gasket maker now. We'll start with a bead of 1/16 to 1/4 of an inch to go around. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see how that goes
That'll
and
work.
works. So it means I cut already the little nozzle or tube we got with it. And we'll see if I can do it. Let's start here. Wait, not pushing.
No.
No pushing.
Just holding.
Okay. Okay. That's why I wanna. Wait. Get it on the right spot first.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. First step is just doing it hand tight. So no additional tunes. That it's pushed basically against it and hopefully makes contact.
Alright, filming, Alex.
Okay, now we wait an hour because the Paratech stuff we have the Gasket Maker. There are different others. There are different other ones out there as well, but this one requires after an hour that you torque all those bolts down. So I'm doing that now. I do not know what torque value they require and need, so I'll do it by feeling how tight they were on last time, and then you know, just tight and then a little tiny bit more. I hope that explains a lot, but I'll try to do a star pattern. And I don't have a torque wrench here today, otherwise I would do the same torque value as well. Maybe might be around 40-50 Newton meter, who knows. I'm gonna tighten them at loose now. When you get an extension, that's horrible. That.
Going or cut?
You can. Are you ready?
I'm ready, I think.
All right, we have a pump. We'll put this on. We'll screw it on here so we don't make a mess, hopefully. And we have the plug ready. We'll start filling in everything in the new painted and cleaned cover. And as soon as it starts drizzling out, we'll put in the plug, and then we'll change to the breather valve and put in more of this one. It should be between 700 and 900 milliliter. I think 25 ounce to 27 ounce it calls out. That's at least the closest information I received. So.
And where do I pump it into?
Into that hole.
In there?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Clean this one a little bit.
And then how do you know how do you keep it from falling out?
When it comes out, it drizzles out. And then here's blue towel, so you can just put it underneath, and then this is the plug, which then we can put in. Just make sure this goes somewhere deep in, and then I'll start pumping.
Wait. It's not very far. This is like
Well,
farming a horse.
there's the differential immediately, so
Yeah.
you can't go too far. But
when
yeah,
you too worm a horse, you do the same thing.
yeah, let's try.
Okay. And you're keeping track of how much is going out of the bottle?
Well, we have 1 quart, so yeah. Got it. There we go. Paper towel.
Thank you. Did we get enough in?
Well, so far, I think we get a good amount in.
So is there another area to put it
Yep.
in? Oh. Okay, that's good. I think that's enough. I'll do another one just to be nice.
So the rest we'll try to fill in to this fill plug. In the axle tube itself, when you go to the left a little bit more, there is a hole. Up too far. Close. There's a hole
Right there.
Yeah. But this hose is too big, so we'll just have to hold it in and then pump it in. Do you want to hold it in? Let me see.
Someone's leaning on me. Lean on me. Casey, that's not a very good fit. You just want me to
I can hold it. I
just
did it
hold
earlier.
it like that?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Let me know if it's leaking because I can't tell.
I think it is.
Too much?
I did it earlier and it worked.
Is it leaking too
I
much?
can hold it if you want to.
I'm pushing down hard.
That's coming out to the side.
Too much?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you want to do?
Hold it. Clean it a little bit so we can see it.
Wait a minute. Ooh, don't fall off.
Okay.
Okay.
Not,
Oh,
not,
now it's coming out more.
no, let me hold it because I had it earlier pretty good.
Okay. He's very slippery.
Yep, got it. Wait a second. Wait.
Yeah.
Let me clean this really quick. But you got it pretty good in there already.
How much more do we have to go?
Just try as much as we can to put in.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh, this isn't quite the work.
Wait. Let's go a little closer. Okay. It doesn't work out. All right, that's pretty much it. But follow your instructions regarding your gasket maker. When you can refill it, I always said 24 hours after you made a gasket, everything is tightened. So you want to follow yours as well. And we are pretty much done. We'll plug it now. There's a specific plug which you put back in, which you hopefully took off. Ours doesn't have one, so we have to be creative and close that. And if you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. Links in the description below as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for your help, Marcy.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers!